Miselon women's long-sleeve Henley shirt, V-neck lace button top. Features. Elevate your wardrobe. With the Miselon women's long-sleeve Henley shirt. This stylish top combines comfort and elegance. Featuring versatile design. Perfect for fall, this blouse is a great addition to any woman's closet. Lace accents. The lace hollow in the sleeves not only adds beauty but also allows for easy rolling up. Flattering fit. The ribbed long sleeves and V-neck enhance your silhouette, while the button front adds a unique touch. Lightweight comfort. Made from comfy, lightweight fabric, this top is both simple and chic, perfect for casual outings or dressier occasions. Match. This knitted shirt is incredibly versatile, making it easy to pair with various cardigans during spring, fall, and winter. Whether you tuck it into wide leg pants, shorts, or skinny jeans, it offers an elegant look that works for any style. Occasions. With its simple yet generous design, this Henley shirt is suitable for a wide range of occasions. Wear it to school, street outings, family dinners, casual gatherings, shopping trips, beach days, camping adventures, parties, work, vacations, outdoor activities, home relaxation, clubs, and team events.